So this one, how do they consume it? Is it like a fruit or vegetables?
Yeah, they consume like how you consume okra.
Really? Wow. I don't know the name, but it's really attractive.
This one is sigwa. Sigwa.
Segwa.
Sigwa. This one is kugwa.
Kugwa.
Yes. This is radish.
Oh, okay.
Our everything is not clean.
So I'm tasting fresh radish. Radish. What's about rabbit?
Radish.
So how do we take it? I have to peel it, right?
Yes. Let me do that for you.
Why did you cut that part off?
Oh, because of, you see that the down, because of, I think the water is over, so the down rotten.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it will affect that side. That's why, you know, farmers, our everything is not clean, or we don't move. You can't eat it. You can't eat it.
Oh, but it's nice.
Ah, okay. Wait, small. It will show you its character.
Yeah, I know it's not that friendly,
yeah.
but it's still nice.
This is TSI.
What is this?
TSI.
TSI.
Yeah, this one, it will grow like cabbage. If you leave it, it will grow like cabbage. Inside it will become hard, and you can just cut it like how the way you cut cabbage for your food. Yes.
Wow.
But these people, they don't let it grow like that. So like this, no, they will fruit it and send it to the market.
Oh, you have cabbage here to write?
No, this we have cabbage. We'll go there. This one is Usai.
Usai.
Yes, Usai. This one they just cut
the
it.
Leaves.
It's like lettuce. This one they call it tungwa. You see how it is? It will grow big.
Wow.
Yes.
But so how do like they consume it?
The same like how it is now. They will cut it and they will take mix their food.
Oh, okay.
Yes. This one within 1 week, and this one grow like this. You look at it.
Wow.
You see.
Like watermelon.
She didn't see it. Like she see it as, she would have carried it to the house.
So this is the tungwa.
Yes, that's tungwa. These are tesher.
What?
Tesher.
Tesher.
Tesher, yes. This one is tesher. The other ones are glasses. And this is radish. May you know radish?
Yes.
Chinese call it luoba.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now you know all the Chinese names.
This, you see the tesher, no? The grown one is this. They spoil now. They cannot eat again. They only they eat the leaves. So this will do like this, and the seed will come. The seed are small. Yes. So now it is overgrown. We cannot use them again. It's spoiled with that.
Oh, okay.
And this one they call it Shintai. Ghanaians call this one.
What of this one?
This one. This one shobashai.
Hey.
Who shobashai be this? It is two types. Who shobashai. That's how they call it, but I don't know how we call it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This one they call it she.
Okay. This one today only take the vegetable.
Yes,
the
and
leaves.
it has overgrown. I planted it, but while later one is like they are not been buying it on the market, and she left it like this.
Oh, okay.
So this is Shintai. Ghanaians call. You see that this one is similar one. That one
it looks like a flower baby.
Yes, this one we call it alefi. I don't know what.
But alefi is different though.
Alefi, and yes,
it's not
we have alefi inside the farm too.
Okay.
Yes, but this one they call it Shintai. For me, I don't know.
So did they eat the leaves?
They eat the leaves. It has overgrown. That's why they left that one too. To go here, this one too is radish and TSI.
Okay, so this is some of the radish.
Yeah, the overgrown ones with that. Can we?
Okay.
This is garden eggs.
So this is like the aubergine.
Yes. You said it's what?
It's like the aubergine.
Aubergine.
Wow. You have a lot of things here. What vegetable is this?
That's it. That's the addition. The conscientia.
The same thing.
Yeah. The name is conscientia. The same as this one.
Okay.
This is
it grows like this before getting off.
Yeah. Can't you see? She cut all to the market.
Okay. Oh, okay. So they have harvested it.
It started coming, yeah.
Okay. How do you plant it? Is it like the spinach?
Yes, it is seed. Small.
It's a seed.
So we plant maybe here three.
But so what if you plant this one? Can it?
It will come.
To germinate.
Yes. Those who don't have, if they come here, they can take this one and go and plant. It will come.
So this one they take is the leaf that they consume.
Yes, the leaves.
Kunshinshai.
Kunshinshai. This is kunkumba.
Ah, okay.
They call it kwangwa.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is where you nest your seed.
Yeah, this one we nest this coriander inside.
Why did you nest the coriander?
Because of the sun.
The sun.
It doesn't like sun.
Okay.
If the sun is there, it will not germinate.
Okay. So when it germinates, will you transplant?
Yeah, no, we will not transplant. For that one, it will grow. Then we take it like that.
This what?
Coriander.
Coriander.
Yeah.
That's the same thing you planted under the net, right?
Yes, yes.
So why did you decide to expose this one to the sun?
Yeah, because we put it before. It's like Christmas inside that happiness. This one. So I was thinking that, and lack of water. That is why it is like this.
Okay.
It will grow.
But it can still grow under the sun like this.
Yeah, it can grow.
Okay.
After this period, that is this month and next month, we put it outside. It will come. You see that time the weather will start coming down and rain will be falling, so it won't experience a serious hotness again that will disturb it.
Wow. Well, we are going to fix it back.
Yeah, it will come. And if they water it well, it will come.
But I'm still enjoying mine. Radish.
Yeah, your radish.
This one you have to buy it bit by bit. Yeah. You don't do it plenty at a time. Yeah. No, you'll not be able to swallow. Hey, I'm still holding this one. Let me fix it here. Oh, okay.
And this is chusai.
Chusai.
That's spring onion. A little bit stronger than the spring onion.
Okay, so this is like a spring onion.
Yes.
So they only consume the leaves.
Yes.
Not the roots.
Yeah, not the root.
Okay. Yeah. And you have some sugar cane here too.
Yeah.
You just want to foreign.
The sugar cane?
Yes.
No. The workers we planted it. And these are the green pepper too.
Okay, you have green pepper here too.
Yeah. Green pepper. This one, that's their pepper.
Oh, okay. These are chili.
Yes. They call it lajo.
Lajo. Wow. I'm learning a lot about Chinese vegetables, and this is a tour to Mr. Stephen's farm, a farm that he manages here in Ghana, and he is managing foreign vegetables. I mean, since I came, I think the only local thing I've seen here is sugarcane. Apart from that, everything is foreign here. So we're just taking a tour, looking at how these vegetables, the names of these vegetables, and later we'll come back to look at how to grow some of them, so that if you also want to go into vegetable farming, you can be able to do that. So let's continue with our tour. So is there a dam?
Yes, we store water.
Mini dam.
Yeah, we store water to water the seed.
Okay, so where do you get the water from the bigger dam?
Yes.
And you store some here.
Yeah. Because of the grasses. If not that you would have seen, you see where the grass is. Where this long grass is, that is where we take water. But now, because of this, it stopped raining. The water has to go back to the trees.
Okay.
Now the machine is at where the trees. You see that it's far. Yes. So you put the machine there before they this.
So what is this one?
Yeah, that's Chinese cabbage.
So this one, what's the name?
Chinese call it bashai.
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 Oh, okay. Yeah. So how many times do you water this cabbage?
A day.
Yes.
But we water it once.
Once? Every day?
Yes.
Wow. I don't know the name, but it's really attractive.
This one is sigwa. Sigwa.
Sigwa.
Sigwa. This one is kugwa.
Kugwa.
Yes.
Okay. So
two types. The sigwa, you'll see this one.
So this one, how do they consume it? Is it like a fruit or vegetables?
Yeah, they consume like how you consume okra.
Really? What's the name of this one too?
The same name. Sigwa.
Sigwa. Okay.
There are two types. but they call them sigwa.
Oh, okay. And this one can it can be able to survive under this weather condition.
Yes, it has. This one, it doesn't have problems. Sir.
It doesn't.
Yeah, it overgrows. Sir. You see, they eat this one. They eat this one. They cut it like chukui.
Huh?
They cut it like chukui. Okro.
Okay.
Chinese name of okro is chukui.
Okay.
So that's why.
So this one.
Yes.
This is that the same thing?
That's the same thing. Sigwa. So you cut it like how you.
Then why did you leave it grown like this? Is it supposed to be grown like this?
She said she need the seed. That I should reserve this one for the seed.
Oh, okay.
So this one they cut it into pieces and put it in the soup.
In the soup. Yeah. So is it slimy like okra?
No, it's not like that. This is green radish type.
Oh, okay. So this one they boil it.
Yes.
You can't take it fresh. You can't take it fresh.
No, you can't take it fresh.
Wow. And this is the green radish.
This is the green radish.
Green radish.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one nangwa.
Green rabbit. And this one?
Nangwa.
Nangwa.
Yeah.
What is this one too?
That's the sigwa. We didn't peg them, that's why they are now.
Oh, okay. So you can even leave it to grow like this.
Yeah.
So this one too, she take it to the market.
Yeah. The nangwa, this one is at Ghanaian supermarket. You see it big like the decent. The Tungwa way I show you here.
Yeah.
It become big like that. This one too. But this one, when it grow, inside become yellow.
Okay.
They use it for this thing. Biscuit.
Oh, okay.
They will grind it, dry. They cut it, dry it. They use it for biscuit. Different food.
Wow.
They call it nangwa. Chinese call it nangwa.
Okay.
And
so does it also grow like this? Bear fruit like this?
I think I show it's bigger than the one that I show you over there. This one.
This one?
Yes. To come big pound.
Small. I'm finishing it too.
Oh yeah. But you try. You are good because a lot they not eat it before, and when they immediately taste it, now they can't eat it again. You see that it's very something like pepper.
Pepper, yeah, yes. It's true.
We finished.
We are done, right?
Yes.
So I hope you enjoyed today's tour with us. If there's something you want to know about this Chinese vegetables, you can let me know that in the comment section. We will take time and come back again so that Mr. Steven will take us through the planting process one after the other, so that if you want him to assist you growing any of these vegetables, I'll also be leaving his contact on the screen in the description section so that you can get in touch with him. Let me know if you like there's something that you also want to know in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.